Are we going?
Hi everybody, it's Andrea and Millie at Too Cool T-Shirt Quilts, and Millie's going to demonstrate how to cut batting.
So I have a 68 by 80 quilt, which means I need the short batting, and I need 6 feet 1 inches. So I have our little contraption made by David here, my nice little catching.
See how beautiful that is?
And
Okay.
I have my counter, and I pull evenly together, and it measures it for me.
So the wheel is measuring, go around here.
And then 6 foot 1.
There we go. And then she pushes that in there.
And then razor blade, rotary cutter. Oh, I need a new blade. Oh.
New blade. It happens. There we go. And then there's the batting. And it's ready for the next one. And Millie can use that on her quilt. Thanks, Millie.
Yep.